Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about what is data privacy. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is data privacy? Data privacy generally means that the ability of a person to determine for themselves when, how, and to what extent personal information about them is shared with or communicated to others. This personal information can be one's name, location, contact information, or online or real-world behavior. Just as someone may wish to exclude people from a private conversation, many online users want to control or prevent certain types of personal data connection. As internet usage has increased over the years, so has the importance of data privacy. Websites, applications, and social media platforms often need to collect and store personal data about users in order to provide services. However, some applications and platforms may exceed users' expectations for data collection and usage, leaving users with less privacy than they realized. Other apps and platforms may not place adequate safeguards around the data they collect, which can result in a data breach that compromises user privacy. So once we are online, we have to be careful of our personal data, no? Because it can be used by hackers or cyber criminals or other people that has a bad intention against us. So keep safe, no, when we are using the internet or in a network also, especially the use of social media. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report about what is data privacy is all about. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys. If you're new, by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.